Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning is an institution dedicated to critically reviewing traditional interpretations and addressing contemporary issues within the framework of the Qur'an and Sunnah through various initiatives such as YouTube conversations, lectures, seminars, publications, and online resources. We aim to reform the Muslim religious thought by reviving and restoring the Qur'an and Sunnah's priority as the guiding lights of Islam's core. Presently, the Ghamidi Center has expanded its presence to Udemy, offering our courses at highly discounted rates. Our recently published course is titled, Stylistics of the Qur'an. As we all know, the key to understanding the Qur'an is through its language. The course Stylistics of the Qur'an is meant to introduce the student to various unique stylistic features of this divine book. Those who attempt this course will find themselves delving deep into the eloquence and subtleties of the Quranic language, and will enjoy a deeper connection with the Holy Book. The course has been divided into 6 modules, and study material is additionally provided. Enroll today through the link provided in the description, and learn the stylistics of the Qur'an.